I'll just say one thing, just drop in for one day. If you don't find the difference, and then it's your call. My name is Naveen. I had ACL reconstruction, both the knees. After that, severe stiffness in hamstring. Say since 2 years, I couldn't walk properly. I mean, I can't stand for a long time. I prefer always sitting or lying. So I had lower back pain, then gradually radiating to neck. With time, I also got tennis elbow, which was not at all healing. I play sports, I work on computer, go to gym, so often I had difficulty. I just couldn't do everything normal. My recovery also was very slow when I hit the gym. Then I decided to come down here. I've been to some of the best orthopedicians and also physiotherapists, but I couldn't improve. Everything was temporary fix. As long as I go, it's good. After that, back to step one. So I just dropped down here. I found out about Sir on Google, some of the best chiropractors in Hyderabad. That's how I know him. First day, I cannot explain the amount of relief in cervical region especially. He diagnosed problem within few minutes. The moment I started walking, he was able to tell me what's gone wrong. And then here it goes, second day, and I'm feeling at least 50-60% better. I'll just say one thing, just drop in for one day. If you don't find the difference, and then it's your call.